Today, we're diving into the Waveshare Starter Kit, a fantastic bundle designed specifically for the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. This kit includes everything you need to get started with your Raspberry Pi projects, ensuring guaranteed compatibility and stability right out of the box. The bundle features a Raspberry Pi 4 Model B with an impressive 8GB of RAM, providing a significant boost in performance compared to its predecessors. This makes it perfect for more demanding projects and applications, offering a more powerful processor, richer multimedia capabilities, and faster networking. In addition to the Pi 4 board, the kit comes with a 16GB microSD card preloaded with an OBS, making the initial setup process straightforward and hassle-free. You'll also find a 5V Type-C power adapter included, ensuring that your Raspberry Pi gets a stable and reliable power supply. The Type-C connector is a nice touch, providing better power delivery and compatibility with modern accessories. The kit also includes essential accessories to enhance your Raspberry Pi experience. The addition of Bluetooth connectivity allows you to easily connect wireless peripherals like keyboards and mice, making your setup more versatile and user-friendly. One of the standout features of this Waveshare starter kit is its focus on compatibility and stability. Each component is carefully selected to work seamlessly with the Raspberry Pi 4, so you won't encounter any issues with mismatched hardware or unreliable performance. This attention to detail makes it an ideal choice for beginners and experienced makers alike. Whether you're looking to build a media center, a retro gaming console, or a home automation system, the Raspberry Pi 4 in this kit has the power and flexibility to handle a wide range of projects. The quad-core processor and increased RAM capacity mean that multitasking and running resource-intensive applications are a breeze. Overall, the Waveshare Starter Kit for Raspberry Pi 4 Model B is a comprehensive package that offers excellent value for money. It includes all the essential parts to get started, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience with your Raspberry Pi projects. If you're in the market for a reliable and powerful Raspberry Pi kit, this bundle is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.